Okay, you were saying salt water, the cabbage.
Yeah, the salt water. Put the okay. Just spray with this salt, and then later on put some water over, and then let it wilt it like this. Okay.
Okay.
And
So
then,
not salt water, just salt it first.
Yeah, salt it and then put some water over top of it. Okay. So
And let it soak.
Yeah, let it soak. Yes.
Okay.
And then about if you do the one cabbage, then if you start it, when you look at it, one side is like this wilted, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
And then you turn it over,
Okay.
okay, the cabbage in the water.
Why do you need to turn it over in the water that it's soaking in?
Because one side is always not done, probably.
Okay.
Yeah. So after both of it all look like this, here, I want you to touch it. Feel it.
Yeah. Oh, rubbery.
Yeah, yeah.
It's
And
like
then,
silicone.
No, and then coming out like this.
Okay.
Okay?
So I thought that happened in the fermenting process.
No. This is, first process is salt water you put them in there. Not too salty, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Because otherwise
How
it will
much salt?
Depends on, just one cabbage for about maybe half, not even quarter cups, just spread over.
Okay.
Put the water over, let it soak it, okay? And then you rinse it out really good about 3 times, the one cabbage, okay? And then you draining this cabbage, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And then if you wanted to just water, and then draining the water out, if you wanted to cut it, we can cut it and then mix it with I show you the hot pepper, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Cut it like this, okay? That's why I didn't.
You usually don't cut it, do you?
My kimchi, I don't usually cut it, okay? I just mix like this because I'm gonna put it in refrigerator and then ferment it. But if you wanted the fresh kimchi, you do. Do you want me to show you that?
Yeah.
Okay. So you cut it, okay, like this.
Mm-hmm. And then let me have a little piece. Huh.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like salty lettuce.
Yes, not too salty, okay?
Uh-huh.
You just pour over.
It's actually kind of good like that.
Huh? And then I'm gonna just put them in the. Okay, this is.
Some of the leaves.
Yeah, just okay. And
Not
then,
all of it though, huh?
And then I'm gonna show you just usually the fresh kimchi they make.
Mm-hmm. Sesame seed. Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna. This is supposed to be powder.
Well, you can't do that with your hand, can you?
Yeah, I did that. Okay.
Is this a child's swimming pool?
No.
Kind of looks like a bath for a child.
Okay, now I put some fresh.
What's that? Red pepper? Cayenne?
Yeah, the Korean. Yeah, I
Korean.
bought it at the Korean store. That's the
That's
best
not-
one.
What kind of?
Here, I'll show
That's
you.
cayenne pepper, right?
Yeah, but they have all different cayenne pepper. Okay, put them in there. And I show you the cayenne pepper I use. This one. I use this.
So that says cayenne pepper in Korean.
This is
Do you crush it up yourself then?
no, it's I
whoops.
bought it at the Korean Asian market.
Mm-hmm.
This one is the best, okay?
Okay. Let me take a picture.
Did you get it?
I got a picture.
Okay.
That's quite a bit of that. How much does this cost?
$20.
Ooh, so it's spendy, huh?
Yeah, they have a cheaper one, but you never know. Made in China, and then I don't want to use it made in China because you have to eat it, okay?
Okay.
So just a minute. Okay, let me. Okay, and then I put some because you're gonna eat it fresh, okay?
Maple syrup? Is that maple syrup?
No, this is Sesame oil.
Sesame oil.
Because you're gonna eat it right away, okay?
Okay.
Just a little bit, okay? Okay. What else? Do you want to be just a little bit sweeter?
No.
No? Okay, just wait the
Just
natural.
however you make it, yeah.
Okay. I made a special sauce. Yeah.
Now what's in the special sauce? More cayenne, I see.
Yeah, okay. This is what I'm gonna do. Okay,
Red
this.
peppers.
Okay. Cayenne, the pepper,
Yeah, cayenne.
and then it's all ground up. Okay, garlic.
Garlic. How much garlic?
It depends on how you want it.
How much garlic compared to cayenne pepper?
Oh, maybe five.
5
Clove? Yeah, just one clove garlic, maybe like one.
For all of that? That's a
No, this is I made a lot. 4 cabbage. I made
right.
it.
So 1 clove garlic. What? 5 clove?
2, 3, maybe four clove garlic.
Okay.
The
And
individual.
how much of this
The pepper I use
to go with 4
here,
cloves of garlic?
And 1 cabbage, maybe like quarter cups.
Quarter
pepper.
cup cayenne pepper.
Yeah, depends.
4 or
on,
5 clove garlic
Yeah.
for 1 head of cabbage.
Yeah, because it depends on what you wanted to do. Okay, how spicy you want it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that's it. And then this
Then-
has a
Green pepper.
I put the chopped the green pepper, and then I have a Korean. You can ground up the apple, half slice of apple, and ground it up with a mixer. You can add it, and then Korean radish. Like 1 slice radish. I'll show you. Okay. which one?
Korean radish.
Yeah.
Was this also something coming from the Korean store on Dobson, right?
Yeah. They have radish. What did I do with it? Oh, maybe I'll here. I'll show you.
The heck is that?
Look like this,
Oh,
but not too big. Okay. You can get it small.
that's huge.
I know, but don't buy huge one. Okay. So Korean radish, around maybe small, around very very small.
So did you dice it up real small in there?
No, small. You cut it, ground it up like a juice.
Okay.
Yeah.
So put it in the food processor and
Yeah. And then you can put apple, half slice apple, half slice this radish, and then you can put if you have American pear or Korean pear, you can cut in half and then put them in there. That's it.
okay.
And then you ground it up. Food process. So
Okay. So that's it? That's all that's in there?
yeah, and then
What do
if you have a cooked rice.
Yeah.
And then you and then you ground it up with it, okay? And then I put Korean anchovy. You ground it up with
You
it.
put Korean anchovies in there?
Yeah, anchovy go in there, okay?
Is it required?
Yes.
Ooh. Anchovies are required, huh?
Yeah.
That must be the secret ingredient then.
No, and then fish sauce.
How much fish sauce?
Just a little bit, maybe 3-5 tablespoons.
And how much anchovy?
Maybe like a 2 tablespoons.
Okay.
It's all ground up together, okay?
And then you just make the paste and then the paste goes in.
And then you put this paste is too. Then I guess this is. I'm gonna freeze this.
Okay.
Leftover, I'm gonna just freeze it.
So that's it, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you just mix it Let me
and
see.
then it can be eaten fresh. But it's best to let it sit, I thought.
Sit it for about 1 day, cover up 1 day, and then you put them in the refrigerator, and then about 4 or 5 days to ferment it in the refrigerator.
I like grandma, like she'd like put it outside for weeks.
No, we don't. If you want to ferment right away, then you can leave it at the kitchen counter for a while, and then it will ferment right away. So do you want to take some with you then?
Yeah, I'll take this. I'll take that much.
Oh, okay, just a minute, let me...
And actually, let's mix that up. So you just, use your glove? Like, do you have to use a glove because the red pepper will attach the
Yes,
skin? Okay.
yes. I'm gonna just put it together, okay?
Okay. So you gotta do the kimchi squat, right?
That's a funny kimchi squat.
And it's the kimchi squat. I'm making kimchi squat.
I don't think so, not that many people can sit like this. I don't know.
No.
No, my
You have to be a
age.
tiny Asian person. It's hard for me. I'm not tiny.
No, it's nothing to do with it, just a body, how to that.
Well, I mean, that mixed up really well.
Do you want me to cut it?
Yeah, let's cut it up. I think I like it cut up so that I
Okay,
can get
just-
small pieces.
Yeah, okay, just a little bit, okay?
Paul out.
That's why
Oh,
I
wait.
say this. Just a little bit, I'll give it to the grandpa, okay?
He likes that stuff, huh?
Yeah, he likes like this. Okay.
He likes like this.
Okay, here. I want you to cut it. Here, I'm gonna give it to you. Just a minute. Okay. No, start from bottom. Yeah. Not too, not too small. This is good. This is good. Yeah. Okay. Okay, that's good. Here. That's it. Yeah. That's it.
That's it?
Yeah, just a minute. I have try one. It's really good.
Fresh kimchi.
Yeah. I have fresh rice. I just cooked it.
That is good. Yeah, Mom.
Let me try.
That's the stuff.
Let me see.
So the secret ingredient really is salting the cabbage. I
Yes.
didn't realize that's how you got the texture.
So you filled it, right?
Yeah, I feel the texture change.
Yeah.
And that's why all the other kimchi doesn't feel right. They must not do that the same as you.
Everybody making different.
Yeah. I like Mom's way.
Out. Nothing for you, okay?
That's right, Apollo. Nothing for you. We can't feed you this. Does he like it? Does he like kimchi?
He'll be sick, probably.
I think so.
Yeah.
I think he thinks he wants it. Well, that was actually really helpful, Mom.
The cabbage is that you can make it too salty, okay?
I can make it too salty by adding too much salt, or I can't.
Then try not to make it salty because you can see the difference, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, Mom. That concludes Mom's lesson on Mom's kimchi.